Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these strawberries and cream profiteroles. Let's begin. So start the choux pastry by boiling the water, the butter and the sugar together until melted. Take it off the heat and then add in the flour and give this all a good whisk until it's fully incorporated. Then put it back on the heat and cook out some of that flour. Make sure that you continuously stir the mixture while it's on the hob so it doesn't burn, and you'll know when it's ready once it starts to leave a coating on the bottom of the saucepan. And then you can transfer that mixture into your stand mixer bowl or whatever type of mixer you've got, and then just mix this on a high speed until it's cool enough to add your eggs in. And once you can start adding your eggs, add them one at a time, beating well in between each addition. It will loosen the mixture. So now that you're done, you can give your bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then start to transfer the choux pastry into your piping bag. Feel free to fit it with a 1 cm wide plain tip nozzle if you want to, otherwise just snip the end off and you're good to go. Fill the bags about 3/4 of the way. And then onto your baking tray, you'll want to pipe them out into blobs. I'll write it better on my blog, so go and check that out. But then you'll want to not put these in the oven quite yet, as you'll want to dab the tops down with some water just to get rid of that peak. And then give them a good brushing with egg wash, and this is just to add a golden colour. And feel free to use grease-free paper or parchment paper on your baking trays. I just didn't have any, and plus I don't really use it anyway, but if you want to, feel free to use it. And you'll want to repeat the stage of dabbing down the tops with the water and brushing them with the egg until you've got none left that need to be done. So as always, I will leave a link in the description down below to this recipe over on my blog. On there you'll find a full write-up, all the baking times, temperatures, weights and measurements, everything you need to know for this recipe. Just make sure you go and check that out if you're interested in making these. So while your profiteroles are in the oven baking, into your large mixing bowl or your stand mixer, pour in your double cream, add in some icing sugar and some vanilla, and whip that up until it's stiff peaks, being careful not to over or under whip the mixture. Once your cream is done, you can put it into a piping bag and then place that in the fridge until you need it later on. So once you've got everything baked and assembled, you can then start to fill your profiteroles with the cream. Then I pipe in some jam. Do you want me to make a homemade jam recipe video? If you do, leave a comment down below. But you want to do that for all of your profiteroles. And then with the remaining whipped cream, you'll want to put into another piping bag with a bigger nozzle, which is a 1 cm star nozzle, and just pipe cream on top of each profiterole. Again, you could use a round tip if you wanted, but I find the star tip a lot better to work with. And then onto the top of each profiterole, you'll want to place half a strawberry or a strawberry half. I don't know which one's the right term to use, but either way, half a strawberry. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video. If you have any video suggestions for me to do in the future, leave them in the comments down below or message me on my blog or my social medias. I will leave all the information you need in the description down below to my blog, my social medias and everything else, so make sure you go and check me out there. But until next week, bye guys.